JVC 2005 here, and I'm at a trading party. I'm gonna at least try to trade someone and do some stuff. But right now I'm at a trading party, and well, it's kind of like I'm just trying to trade someone. But I'm looking for trades, and I'm also looking for trades and some friend requests and some jamograms. But what I'm mostly looking for is to get on the top 10 list. So I would really be grateful if you gave me something to get out here on the Epic Dens. Hey, Naomi Bates, sneaky I'm going to his den. Well, this is one of my favorite dens. Don't know why, it's just cool. I don't know how he got on the Epic Dens. It's not that cool. It's not that cool, but not cool. I have no idea how this is a really good den to make it on Epic Dens. Well, in a second I'm going to show you my den, which is probably a little better than this one. Which I don't know why anybody's here. But I'm going to my den, which is a little better than his. To me it is. Because look at my stuff, and my stuff just doesn't matter. But just look at all my stuff compared to his stuff. It's just better, better, or something like that. I'm just comparing my stuff to his, but my stuff looks a little better. Flying Dwayne Daddy. But yeah, I'm JVC 2005, and I really would like it if you guys could come to my den and stuff to see how it really is in person. And my den is awesome. But I'm going over here, pet reindeer, putting it right there to watch Pet TV. This is the pet living room. There we go. The ghosts are off this floor. Boop, boop. But guys, I kind of made the concept of the pet. So I basically kind of made the concept of a pet reindeer a couple of years ago. What the heck is that? I don't understand that, but I kind of made I just kind of put that in the idea box and then helped Jamma make it and stuff. Going back in my den to create it. Oh my gosh, I wish this would stop happening. Sheesh. Oh, there's my first car. I hate this when it happens. It just resets everything. I hate when that happens. It resets every single thing. Okay. But I'm gonna go to some parties in a second. I just have to do this right now. I don't know why. I just feel like putting some of my pets out so they could watch the pet TV. What the heck? Boom! Bang! But guys, this was an outstanding video with you, and I hope you enjoyed it. I just got a little overboard. I'm just gonna go back to my den and customize it. But bye bye. Looking for some trades, and my name is JDC 2005. Peace out.